Hi everyone, welcome to back the channel. Auto Rush. The battlefield of the future is transforming rapidly, and at the forefront of this evolution is the 2025 2S38 Derivaciya PVO. Russia's answer to the growing threat posed by UAVs, cruise missiles, and low-flying aircraft. The 2S38 is not just an anti-aircraft gun, it's a symbol of a new doctrine of warfare. Developed by the Burevestnik Central Research Institute, this new generation self-propelled anti-aircraft artillery system blends high mobility, next-generation targeting systems, and an automatic cannon designed to outmatch conventional air threats. The name Derivaciya PVO roughly translates to derivation air defense, and its mission is clear: to deliver short-range, rapid response firepower against aerial targets that evade radar or fly beneath conventional missile systems engagement envelopes. With the explosion in drone warfare in modern conflicts, systems like the 2S38 are more critical than ever before. Russia designed it specifically to target small UAVs, loitering munitions, helicopters, and even ground threats, offering multi-role utility in mobile combat scenarios. Built on the chassis of the familiar BMP-3 infantry fighting vehicle, the 2S38 combines proven mobility with powerful fire support. This isn't just a modification or a retrofit, it's an entirely reimagined air defense system that retains the rugged reliability of the BMP-3 platform while integrating advanced electronics, sensors, and a completely new turret system. The result is a self-propelled anti-aircraft system capable of operating independently or as part of a larger integrated air defense network. At the core of the 2S38 is its formidable 57mm automatic cannon, a weapon capable of firing up to 120 rounds per minute. This isn't a simple cannon. It's a high-velocity, computer-guided artillery system that can engage targets with both precision and speed. The 57mm caliber may seem modest compared to larger artillery, but in practice, it allows for a balance between firepower, speed, and range. The weapon system utilizes programmable airburst ammunition, armor-piercing rounds, and proximity-fused shells to ensure effectiveness against a wide array of targets. One of the standout features of the 2S38 is its radar-less targeting system. Unlike conventional self-propelled anti-aircraft guns, which rely heavily on radar systems that can be jammed or detected, the Derivaciya PVO uses an electro-optical fire control system. This includes high-resolution thermal imaging, a laser rangefinder, and automatic target tracking, allowing the gun to engage stealthy or low-observable threats without broadcasting its own position via radar emissions. It's an example of passive defense going on the offensive. This capability is particularly valuable in asymmetric warfare scenarios where radar-guided weapons may become targets themselves. By using optical and infrared sensors instead of radar, the 2S38 can silently monitor and eliminate threats without drawing attention. The targeting system is fully automated, requiring minimal input from the crew once the system locks onto a target. This reduces reaction time and increases the chance of intercepting fast-moving or evasive threats. The gun itself is housed in an unmanned turret, remotely controlled by the vehicle's three-man crew. This includes a driver, commander, and gunner, all seated in the hull for maximum protection. The unmanned turret allows for a more compact and protected design, reducing the vehicle's silhouette and enhancing survivability in high-threat environments. The cannon can be elevated to high angles, giving it impressive coverage against air threats and also allowing it to be used in urban environments or against light armored vehicles and infantry. In terms of mobility, the BMP-3 chassis offers all-terrain capability, amphibious functionality, and robust power delivery. It is powered by a UTD-29 diesel engine, which delivers 500 horsepower. This enables a top road speed of around 70 km per hour and an operational range of up to 600 km. Whether it's navigating muddy fields, forests, or shallow rivers, the 2S38 can keep pace with mechanized formations and deploy rapidly to threatened sectors. Beyond its technical specifications, what sets the 2S38 apart is its role in modern battlefield strategy. The rise of drone warfare has exposed significant vulnerabilities in traditional air defense systems. Drones can fly low, remain small, and overwhelm missile-based systems through sheer numbers. They are cheap to produce and costly to destroy using surface-to-air missiles. The Derivaciya PVO aims to flip this equation by using kinetic rounds instead of costly interceptors, creating a cost-effective layer of air defense that can operate continuously without the logistical burden of missile resupply. Each 57mm shell costs significantly less than even the most basic short-range missile, making the system ideal for defending critical infrastructure or military convoys against swarms of enemy drones. Its rapid-fire capability means it can engage multiple targets in quick succession, and its autonomous targeting system reduces reliance on external command networks. In many ways, it represents a return to gun-based air defense, but with a futuristic twist. Its effectiveness isn't limited to aerial targets. In fact, the 2S38 is designed to also engage lightly armored vehicles, soft-skin transport, and fortified infantry positions. The high explosive and armor-piercing capabilities of the 57mm cannon allow it to function as direct fire support for ground troops in urban or contested terrain. This dual-purpose role makes it more versatile than many air defense systems, allowing commanders to deploy it flexibly based on changing mission needs. Another innovation is the Derivaciya's use of programmable munitions. These smart shells can be set to explode at a specific distance or after a certain time in flight, maximizing damage to drones or dispersed infantry. This is especially useful when targeting drone swarms, as a single airburst shell can take down multiple UAVs. It also enhances the system's effectiveness in dense urban environments, where line-of-sight engagement may be limited and over-penetration is a concern. Despite its heavy weaponry and armor, the 2S38 maintains a compact footprint. This makes it easier to transport, deploy, and conceal, especially compared to towed or stationary air defense platforms. In modern combat where speed and agility are key,